we had a friend of ours here looking at it. Yeah. So we got a little bit too much paint everywhere. Everywhere. So we gotta clean all the paint off of here. I'm gonna clean all the paint off of that right there. We gotta clean all the paint off of these where the headers both up right there. He said, so if you notice there is some bolts missing out of this timing cover. Right up there at the top. And a bolt there. It's missing a couple bolts. So we might have to pull this off. We don't know yet. We'll see later whether or not this thing is. We will have to pull the timing cover off. We probably have to clean the paint off of there. Over on this side, right here, we're gonna clean out the paint off of this, and that'll give me the history on this engine. But what we're gonna do is Dan and another guy are going to give me some bolts for the timing cover and some valve covers. Grandma, hold this for a minute. I'm gonna raise up and show them what we gotta do.
You want me to put you in the video?
You can, yeah.
Elevator going up.
And Dan watches my channel, so he'll probably see this video.
He'll know if you're repeating correctly what you have to do.
They watch my channel. So.
There you go. You ready for it back?
Yeah.
Not yet. Do you need to move up closer?
Yeah, I will. Move up closer. We have to clean all of the gasket off of the side of the heads.
Clean it for a new gasket.
Some new gaskets down there on the, these are called, they call these edges China Wolf. And we gotta clean probably those mounting points. And that rocker that I was worried about, he said that once once the lifters pump up, it should tighten up. But this is all the stuff we gotta do. We're just gonna get me some valve covers and some bolts. But otherwise, he said it looks really good. So once I get all this cleaning done, then we will hopefully be able to put this back together. As long as we don't have to pull this timing cover off, which we don't know yet. So, yeah. See you guys next time. Guys, this is the bucket that has already tape and stuff in it from when we were painting. And this bottom bucket has the oil in it. And it's been sitting in the shop over here for a while now. And I'm just tired of looking at it. I'm gonna get that rag off the floor, that rag right there. I'm sick of looking at it, so I'm gonna turn the duck shirt. It was over in the corner. And we're done with it, so it can go. But as soon as we're done with the cleaning on the engine, I can put it back together.